Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like Boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me.
Hey beauties, it's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today what I'm going to be doing is showing you all how to achieve this gorgeous bob. This is a closure install. Yes, it is 100% glued in. I did not sew anything. This is just a complete glue in. So it's a pretty easy steps. It's not complicated at all. But without further ado, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification so that you'll always get the chance to see my beautiful face. And then once you have done that, I will get right into the video. So I'm gonna just go ahead and give you a second. Okay, so you should have clicked that bell by now. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing I am doing is taking the tracks and going straight across the back, and I'm going to do that up until a certain point of my head, and then I'm going to apply my closure. Now I have laid my tracks to a certain point. Now I'm going to take my Got To Be glue and spray it across, and I'm going to wait for that to dry. And once that is completely dry, I'm going to go ahead and cut the perimeter of the cap. Now that is complete, I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glue, applying that to my edges and making sure that that cap is completely tacked down all the way across so that it can be smooth. Applying my closure, and once that is completely dry, I'm going to add my closure on top. Now I'm taking my closure and applying regular hair glue around the edges of it. It's not to be applied toward the front, which is the obvious. So that's just to secure it down so that you don't have to sew it or anything. You're going to apply it the same way you're going to do the rest of the tracks. Now that my closure is applied, I'm going to go ahead and finish adding my tracks to the top, and once that is complete, then I will begin my cutting. Now that all the hair is in, I'm going to use my styling mousse, and I'm going to apply that to the top of my hair so that this hair can be as flat as possible, and it'll make it easier for styling. And now the fun begins, which is the cutting portion. And now using my Kira Care wax stick, I'm going to use that to flatten the top of my hair so that it can be as flat as possible. So I really hope you all enjoyed me creating this look. It was pretty simple for me, just something quick. I started to not record it, but I was like, wait a minute, I haven't done like a hair video in like a minute. So I was like, let me just go ahead and record it. It ain't nothing to it. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Please share this video so that others can see it as well. And I'll catch you beauties in my next video. Love you all.